Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stabilize the video in InShot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you can simply tap open your InShot app, and once you open your InShot app you can simply be in this kind of interface. So here you need to simply import your footage into the app. After importing the footage, you need to tap on the video in the timeline by tapping on the particular video that has been newly created. After doing this, you can find the speed option and different options like stabilize. So you can simply tap on the stabilize option to stabilize it. Otherwise, you can simply tap on the speed option and go in the curve section. And once you're in the curve section, you can simply make changes in the scale to stabilize that particular video. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.